Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Economy Sessions. Now, in this session, we'll discuss about all kinds of possible money. So, if you have money here, the types of money are like you have fiat money, you have commodity money, and fiduciary 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 money. Next, commercial bank money. So, in basic theory point of view, fiat money, commodity money, fiduciary money, commercial bank money. These are the four important categories of money. So, the first one is fiat money, FIAT, commodity money, fiduciary, FIDUCIARY, fiduciary money, and the last one is commercial bank money. Now, step by step, we'll go for each and everything. All are types of money only. For example, take a society. So, in a society, can we have fiat money? A fiat money can be in a government only because it is a legal tender released by the government. A society may be an organized society or an unorganized society. An organized society can have fiat money because an organized society may have a government. So, a society fiat money. So, may or may not, a society may or may not have fiat money. Next, society and commodity money. Commodity money means simple, whatever the things are exchanged in barter system. So barter system is related to primitive societies only, exchange of goods only. So in a not only primitive society, sorry for that, a primitive, it starts with primitive society. So primitive societies also can use this kind of money, exchange of goods only. For one good, another good will be given out in exchange. So a commodity money can be present in a society, yes. Next, fiduciary means trust. Trust means it has to be backed up by something like an organized institution, for example, a bank or a government. So, this trust only comes when it is organized, like fiat money. So, a society may be an organized society or an unorganized society. So, a fiduciary money may or may not be present in a society. Next, commercial bank money. So, no need. Again, a society can have a banking system like ancient India. Ancient Indian societies are used to have finest banking system. So, again, it depends on whether it is organized or organized. So, may or may not have commercial bank money. Next, a state, an established state or government. So, state or government, fiat money, yes. Commodity money, yes, very basic thing. Fiduciary money, the trust is there. So, fiduciary itself means trust. For example, if you are giving a check is given on the basis of trust only. If a bank releases a check, it is an indication of trust only. That is fiduciary money. A check is a part of fiduciary money. A demand draft is a part of fiduciary money. So, in commercial bank money, yes. State or government, commercial bank, yes. Next, validity. Fiat money means it is released by the government only. It is backed up by the government only. So, fiat money has legal validity, yes. And commodity money may or may not have legal validity. In strict sense, it's not having any legal validity, but if it is a society somewhat organized, then we can say that may or may not. And legal validity for fiduciary, yes, because it is backed up by the bank only. So in case of fiduciary money, legal validity is there, yes. In case of commercial bank money, legal validity is there, yes. Next, acceptancy. At all the times, it has to be accepted. Yes, no, yes, yes. So this is all about fiat money, commodity money, fiduciary money, commercial bank money, because I have made this table for your convenience only. Because in the exam, they are not going to ask a straight question like what is fiat money, what is commodity money, what is fiat money, or what is commercial bank money. It it depends, it varies actually. So you need more theory on this one. That's why a fiat money is a legal tender released by the government. No one is supposed to oppose it. That is simple definition. Commodity means which is used in barter system. One good for another good. Fiduciary money means this is fiduciary. The term itself indicates trust. So a bank check or a bank BD, it itself indicates that it is released on the basis of a trust. So you can use fiduciary money for those things. Commercial bank money means the deposits, whatever the deposits are there in the bank, demand deposits are there in the bank, are commercial bank money. If a person saving the is saving a particular amount of money in the bank and he wants to take it back, the bank is supposed to give the money to him. That is commercial bank money, which is there in demand deposits. So they are the basic definitions like that. Fiat money issued by the government, backed by the government, no one is supposed to oppose it. Commodity money, goods in transaction, goods in exchange. Fiduciary money, which is based on trust. Commercial bank money, the money deposited in the commercial banks, demand deposits. And society and fiat money. A society can have fiat money, may or may not. If the society is organized society, it may have fiat money. If it is unorganized, it may not have fiat money. A society, commodity, yes. A basic society, any primitive society can use barter system. So in a society, commodity money, yes, there is a possibility of commodity money. In a society, the society may be organized or unorganized. So fiduciary money may or may not, depending on organized, unorganized. If it is organized, it may have fiduciary money. If it is not organized, it may not have. Commercial bank, again, if it is organized, may have. If it is not if it is not organized, it may not have. Similarly, state or government means an organized society is state. That organization comes from the government only. So fiat money, yes. Commodity money, yes. Fiduciary money, yes. In a state or government. In a commercial bank money, yes. All are possible in a state or government. Legal validity, as this thing is backed up by the government itself. So fiat money has legal validity, yes. Commodity money may or may not have legal validity. And fiduciary money, yes, legal validity is there. Commercial bank money, legal validity is there. Similarly, acceptancy, at all times it has to be accepted. At all times it may there is no possibility of accepting acceptancy. So no. Fiduciary money at all times accepted because it is trust based. Commercial bank money at all times it is accepted because it is backed up by the government itself, the bank itself, an organized institution itself. So this is all about fiat money, commodity money, fiduciary money, and commercial bank money. Thank you.